Hello guys, Peter here from Inte.Team. Inte.Team, it's an electronics repair shop and web development, and I would like to show you second part to see and decide what we will do with the bulk of laptops, about 20 of them, yes, that came in. So there is a pile of somewhat working ones, and there is a pile of not working ones. If you've seen the part first, you can skip. You know, the good thing is that you can skip. I just want to show you what I will do. That's already powering on. Okay, that was first reboot. Yes. Let's see if I can find another one. That's the same connector, same connector, same connector, same. Oh, we've got a power, so that will go to the good ones. I will be checking later, you know, like keyboards, batteries and so on, yes, but I want to just go through them all. That's USB-C, so that's another one. I thought I'll do it quicker. This we can do as a USB-C. That's powering on already, I can see. This one has green light, okay. What it's showing? 10 watts, 20 volts, so it's negotiating DP. Okay, so it's a power on as well. Screen is not cracked. This one powering on as well, look. No power. Oh no, there is. Actually, there was delay. Windows loading. Good, but there is a shift backslash is missing here as a key. Let it load, because if it's Windows 10 I need to see. Okay. Windows 10 is loading, but here is backslash missing. So, and it's still working off the battery. Nice. Okay. So there's quite a few are working one. I'll tell you how many. Okay, so it is Lenovo as well. Very good. What it will show. Okay, so that battery is either dead, or it was just discharged. Yeah, Windows is loading. That's okay. Yes. So yeah, these laptops are cheap, but they are robust. So look, we've got 3 minutes and we already know so much about these laptops. Another one is booting up. So there is, like, most of them are powering on. Yeah, that's again. Will load Windows. Yes, loading Windows. Oh, that's for USB-C. Can we test it simultaneously when we test? That's USB-C as well. So this one, let it load. Okay, where is the charger here? Oh, that blinked but didn't do anything, just blinked. So there is a problem with the charging port or something. Lenovo will show or no show. Second reboot, so the battery was flat. Okay, I will check for Windows, but this is giving no fun on one port. Oh, this is better. This is holding. Well, at least the light is on. And what about here? Yeah, 18 watts as well. Okay, so there is a hope in this madness. Here we've got picture already, so we can see if that will give us any joy. Yes, Windows is loading. And that's Windows 11, and there is a problem with either LVDS cable or LCD monitor. Already it's installed Windows 11 on it, so this is nice. I can get it. Okay, so we get Lenovo. That's the last regular Lenovo charger. Okay, escape. it's trying to power on. Yes, Lenovo. So this one is, yes, not showing, but it's working. Okay. That's Windows 10. That's Escape. So that's Windows 11. Okay. So that might be, it's still loading. A bit slower. Come on guys, come on guys. It's already 5 minutes. People need to skip videos if they are not interested. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, these take longer. Okay, so there might be some hardware issue because they shouldn't take so long. I don't know what it is, but it's just still spinning. Okay, this one is ready to rock and roll. And when we disconnect, the batteries almost didn't die. Yes, so the charging is working. Now the keyboard question. Is it keyboard working? And if the battery holds at all. Yeah, that's Windows 11, you see. Yes, you see. And that's the last one with USB-C. But this one is too slow. This doesn't feel right, and it's dead. So yes, so quite a few of them can have batteries dead. Okay, orange, blink, takes 10 watts. There is a hope. 16 watts, 14 watts. So you see, only how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 of the laptops didn't power on completely. Yes, the rest have powered on. Okay, this is trying to power on. $20 watts, negotiated to 20 volts. Power delivery, PD, not DP. I was saying DP, no, it's PD, power delivery. Okay, that's checked, that's fine. So guys, in total, 3 laptops out of 20 didn't power on completely, yes? So I need to check the value of those 3. The rest have powered on, so it's quite a lot of them salvageable. Maybe we can even power on the rest, but that's all we will focus on. This one, there is no value, like much value for use, yes? Windows 11 again. And remember, that's 6th generation of i5. So with 8 gig of RAM and with 250 gig usually storage they come, or 236, something like that, around that. It's budget Windows 11 laptop. Yes, it's not something really fancy. Now the rest too. How many minutes? 780. Okay, good. But I already see it, and it died. So the battery is probably, you know, because it's restarting. It's all good. I can put it on the pile of those working ones. And now we can find USB-C here. That's 0.0, 10 watts. Okay. Let's press the button. And we've got Windows. Okay. So I need to check because I don't want data to leak. Then I will have to wipe the video because I'm not editing. 0.00 still. So it's rebooting or what it does? It's not responsive on power button completely. Nada. What if I'll take the other side? The same. And what about second cable? Oh, 10 watts. 2 watts. Oh, window logo is showing up and it's going down. So it's just blinking for a split of a second. 6 watts. 4 watts. No fun, no joy. I think I'll just leave it for a charge for longer. So for now, yes, for now it has to go on that pile of not working ones, because I need to figure out what I can do with it. That's a micro USB. That might be too long, okay, too old. The problem is if that's on micro USB-C, that's really old one. so we might find difficult time to find the use case. Doesn't take any power, 0 watts. And what if we will find power button here? Try to press it. Pressed, clicked. Still nothing. 0.0, that's the yellow one. 0. Okay, so we've got 2 Microsoft Surface and we've got 3 laptops to go through why they are not powering on. The rest is fine. Yes, the rest is totally fine. Good enough so that I can do it off the camera. There's no value for yourselves. Yes, because there's like replace the keyboard, replace the battery, you know, clean it and so on. I wouldn't say there is much value for. Whereas those ones which don't power on, and those two as well, there is some value to watch those videos. So I will record videos about 5 items from all that pile. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Oh, and the description down below for those who like music, 10 songs from me. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.